just love making breakfast on my Blackstone. Alrighty, so basically very simple. I got some mission burritos here. These are the flour tortillas. I got some cheddar cheese. I got a couple eggs right from out back there where my chickens are. Gotta love fresh eggs. And got some thick cut store-bought bacon. Got some butter. Got the Blackstone heating up. I have it on low heat right now. Depending on how much bacon you like, it's up to you. I'm going to go with 3 slices of the thick cut bacon. Hold on and listen for a sizzle. Oh, yeah. All right. We'll get those cooked up and then we'll start the eggs. When the bacon looks like it's about halfway done, go ahead, keep it on low. You don't want to burn your bacon like I did the other day. Big dum dum. And if you haven't seen that video, guys, make sure you check that video out where I made the colossal bacon burger and then I made a colossal bacon breakfast burger. Check those videos out. I'll leave them up here somewhere right now. Oh, yeah, baby. All right, guys, let's have a taste test, see how we did. I don't know how I'm going to get my mouth around it. I'm going to give it a try. All right, got the bacon done. Come over here. I'm going to get a little bit of butter. And I'm going to go ahead and start cooking my eggs. All right, so I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of butter. Just put it on there. We're going to let that melt down real nice. I love butter on my eggs. It just tastes so much better. And hey, leave me a comment down below. What do you cook your eggs in? Do you cook it in bacon fat? Do you cook it in butter? Got 2 cackleberries here. First one down. Second one down. Let these cook up. Give our bacon a little flip. Eggs are looking perfect. I love the Blackstone for cooking. Oh, man, you can cook eggs on these things. It's absolutely fantastic. They do such a great job. They don't stick to anything as long as you season it properly. All right, I got some cheddar cheese here. I'm just going to put some cheddar cheese right on top of my eggs. Let that get all nice and happy. All right, that cheese is melting down nicely. That bacon is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put this together. All right, so got my mission tacos here. Now you'll notice I put paper towels in between them when I get them. And guys, it helps so much. They don't not stick. When you put them in the refrigerator, they don't stick. They come right out one at a time. Perfect. All right, now me, I'm a simple guy. I love my ketchup. Take that egg first. Take nice crispy bacon. I am no professional at this, but go ahead, wrap it up the best you can. Wrap it like that. Tuck in the corners. All right. Now, what I like to do is just to get a little bit of extra flavor and a little color. I like to put this back on the Blackstone and get some char on here. Like I said, I like to put them on the Blackstone. And then what I want to do is I always want to put them seam side down first because you put the pressure on like that and that seam and the seam will stick to the taco. And that way there, it doesn't start opening up and falling apart. So put it seam side down first. All right, everyone. Well, that breakfast burrito is done. It looks absolutely fantastic. The color on it. All right, we're going to cut this in half. Oh, yeah. There you go. There's some nice goodness there. Cheesy goodness. All right, guys. Final thing, taste test. See how we did. Bacon, egg, and cheese wrap on your Blackstone. Try it out. You'll love it. Till next time, as always, God bless and happy eats. Love you all. I love eggs on my bacon. Yeah, love eggs on my